Today, I will tell you how to fix the tow bar error. Sadly, this problem is quite common. Let's get started. So, one rainy morning, I got an error message indicating the car needed repair due to a malfunctioning trailer connection. I have to say, it was really unexpected, but as it turns out, this problem is pretty common. Okay, let's get to the point. What to do with all this? So, if you're not using the trailer hitch for its intended purpose right now, there's a good solution. Go to the trunk. Find a secret pocket on the right side under the lining and get in. It is a bit tight and not much room to move. But inside, you'll find a block or module with two large chips connected at the bottom. We are interested in the one on the right. Pull the red lever to the right and the chip comes off. That's it. No more error. Now you might be asking, is this really a solution? The trailer socket is no longer working. You can't connect anything to it. Agree, but if you're not planning on using the trailer at this moment, towing the trailer isn't necessary. It's quite a functional scheme, but ideally I'd like to address the root cause, not just handle the symptoms. Okay, you're all watching this video for a reason. Among all the car paperwork, customs clearance, and various other documents in German, there was this seemingly unimportant brochure lying around. It's a guide on how to install a tow bar. If you take a careful look right here at this picture, everything becomes immediately clear. Alright, if you still didn't get it, let me explain. According to the manual, the installation of the tow bar, particularly its electrical component, is necessary. Indeed, it's strictly necessary to insert the plug this way, with the arc facing downwards. The arc has to be at least 6 centimeters or moisture will seep into the socket. It's precisely illustrated and emphasized like this. What we see in my case is correct, done evenly. That's simply not how it should be done under any circumstances, hence the computer error. Everything is simple. The only thing is, I have to do it the right way, but I haven't done it yet because firstly, I don't get around to it, and secondly, I don't have a trailer, and I'm not sure if I'll be towing a trailer anytime soon, but someday I'll definitely do it the right way. Especially if the diagram is correct, and there's enough wire there. I just need to cut the zip ties, tighten the wire properly, secure it with new zip ties, and theoretically everything should work. The only downside to this whole thing is that the car is already low to the ground, and if I lower the wires below the tow bar by 6 centimeters, unfortunately, they'll practically be dragging on the ground. Figuratively speaking, of course, but there's nothing I can do about that. If you want a properly working tow bar on a Peugeot 308, you'll have to run the wires correctly, otherwise in rainy weather, you'll get errors. Plus, I don't know how long it will be before the socket starts to corrode. Maybe it's already in a terrible state. In any case, I've told you where to look. So yeah, when I finally get around to it, I'll do everything properly. And I'll definitely make another video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.